Hi, I'm Dr. Ankur Patel. I'm the founder and CEO of Southern Pain and Spine and our related surgery center, Northeast Georgia Surgery Center. We're headquartered in Gainesville, Georgia, but we do have multiple locations throughout the Atlanta metro area. In February of 2021, we opened our doors in the Gainesville, Georgia community. We're an interventional pain management practice, and we knew that we had to provide something special and something different to our community. During our open house, I met Natasha Clements with Imperial Imaging Technologies. We realized quickly that as a workers' compensation provider, if we wanted to make that a niche part of our market, that we needed to provide in-house imaging, specifically in-house x-rays. Natasha was very quick to point out to us our needs, our capabilities, and to look and overall assess our entire situation. After discussion, after looking at multiple options, we realized that the Radmedix SDR Plus system was going to be our number one choice. We made the decision and we've never looked back since. So prior to us implementing SDR Plus, whenever we saw a patient, the challenges that we were encountered with was that we could not diagnose them in a timely manner. We would order an x-ray, we'd send the patient for that x-ray down the street to the hospital or to another imaging center. They would get their x-ray done that day or maybe even the next day, and it was another 24 hours before we got the read on the x-ray or those images. So there was delay of care in the patient. It would take us 24, 48, and in many cases 72 hours before we actually were able to diagnose the patient and actually provide the appropriate treatment. So when we got the SDR Plus system and we now have it in office, that cut our time down to minutes.
Hi, my name is Heather Reeves. I'm the X-ray tech here at Southern Pain and Spine, and I work with Dr. Patel, and I've been an X-ray tech for about 10 years. Natasha and her team at Imperial Imaging came and had our Radmedix SDR Plus system up and running within a day. Next, Radmedix came with their clinical applications team and had our software up and running and just showed us how user-friendly and how easy to use it is. With the Acuity SDR Plus system, the maneuverability is just much easier to use than any other system that I've used prior to this. With everything kind of having one motion, it's just so much easier on our bodies. And as x-ray techs, we have difficulties with overhead pulling and pushing and maneuvering patients, and that's just not an issue with the SDR Plus system. Another good thing about the SDR Plus system is that it's fully integrated. Whenever I select a certain body part to image, it already sets my technique for me, and that's one less thing that I have to worry about. Dr. Patel has had nothing but great things to say about the image quality as well.
So if we look back at the last 8 to 9 months since our practice opened, we thoroughly enjoy and we love our SDR Plus system. We look back at Radmedix, the makers of this SDR Plus system, and we also think of our other partners in Imperial Imaging Technology. Both of them together have partnered. They provide a great product, a great service, and we're excited to be the third partner in this relationship. We look forward to continuing this partnership. We also look forward to our other locations adding the SDR Plus system.